Hi guys, it's Toby here, the e-commerce business coach. If you are an e-commerce business owner, then I've got a really useful resource which you can download from my website, and that's a 21-step e-commerce business success checklist, which includes all the steps I go through with my clients to help them grow their e-commerce business. The link will be below this video, and it focuses on the 3 key areas that e-commerce businesses need to focus on to be successful. The first area is starting with getting control of your money. Being in control of your money is the foundation for successful business. It includes understanding what your margins are, making sure you get your pricing right, making sure you're making enough profit, you know what your costs are, you're in control of your cash, you're getting the right data and information from the business. Second, then it's talking about growing the business. This first and foremost starts with getting on top of your fulfillment processes, making sure you've got the right product range, then making sure the store is set up to maximize conversions and to maximize the dollar amount you get from your visitors. Then it's about driving traffic to the site. And ultimately then it's about building a team to run the business so you don't have to. They're the 3 key areas that you need to work on. All the steps you need for each of those areas are in that checklist, so make sure you grab yourself a copy of that. And if you like some more training like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers.